AI saved my blog? No, seriously. Hey everyone, it's Goldie here. Writing blog posts can be the worst. Staring at the screen for hours, brain turning to mush. But guess what? I found a solution that's blowing my mind. AI writing tools. Some of them are totally free. They help with ideas, writing paragraphs, and making your writing sound 10 times better. Ready to kiss writer's block goodbye? Keep watching. First up, we've got Google Bard. It's like having a super smart friend who's amazing at writing anything. Tell it what you want to write about, and it'll give you title ideas, an outline, and even a whole paragraph. You can give it feedback to match your unique style. If you're stuck, just open Google Bard and start typing. It's become my go-to for brainstorming and getting past initial creative hurdles. You've got your ideas flowing, and the creative juices are really starting to kick in. Maybe you've even managed to put together a rough draft. It's a great start, but it needs some refining. Now it's time to polish it up with QuillBot. This tool is designed to take your writing to the next level. Think of it as the world's most meticulous editor, but way less intimidating. It's like having a personal editor who's always ready to help. QuillBot takes your sentences from meh to wow. It transforms your writing into something truly impressive. It rephrases sentences to make them clearer, stronger, and more engaging. Your message becomes more impactful and easier to understand. Need to sound more professional or casual? Done. QuillBot adapts to your needs, whether it's a formal report or a friendly email. It catches typos and grammatical errors, acting as a safety net for your credibility. No more embarrassing mistakes slipping through. My writing is so much stronger and more polished now. The difference is night and day. I don't spend hours agonizing over every detail. QuillBot saves me time and reduces my stress. QuillBot has become an essential part of my writing process. It's like having a trusted partner who always has my back. Chapter 3. Copy.ai-blog post. Templates that don't suck. Copy.ai is a lifesaver for getting started, especially with specific types of blog posts. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, it can be daunting to come up with fresh ideas and structure your posts effectively. That's where Copy.ai steps in to save the day. They have templates for listicles, which are perfect for creating engaging and easy-to-read content. Listicles are a great way to present information in a digestible format, and Copy.ai makes it incredibly simple to get started. How-to guides, which are essential for providing step-by-step instructions to your readers. These templates help you break down complex processes into manageable steps, making your content more accessible and useful. Plug in some basic info, and it generates ideas and sections of text. This feature is incredibly useful when you're facing writer's block, or just need a little inspiration to get the ball rolling. It gives you a solid starting point to edit and add your own voice. You can customize the generated content to fit your unique style and tone, ensuring that your blog posts are both original and engaging. Copy.ai is great at catchy titles and attention-grabbing intros. These elements are crucial for drawing readers in and keeping them engaged from the very beginning. It's like having a marketing genius in your pocket. The mobile interface is user-friendly, allowing you to create and edit content on the go, which is perfect for busy bloggers. The free version is quite powerful, offering a range of features that can help you create high-quality content without spending a dime. But the paid plans offer even more features. With a subscription, you get access to advanced tools and templates that can take your blog posts to the next level. It's become a go-to tool for me. Trust me, it works. Whether you're looking to streamline your writing process or enhance the quality of your content, Copy.ai is an invaluable resource. Chapter 4. Writesonic. Your AI ghostwriter, kind of. Writesonic can write entire articles for you. Just input your topic and keywords and watch as it generates a full draft in minutes. It's like having a ghostwriter at your fingertips. It's great for getting a first draft done quickly. Imagine the time you'll save by not having to start from scratch. You can focus on refining and perfecting your content. Give it a topic and keywords, and it churns out an article. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You'll need to edit and add your own voice, but it's a decent starting point. Think of it as a collaborative effort between you and the AI, where you bring the creativity and personal touch. It helps when you have a lot of posts to write and not much time. Writesonic can ease the burden by handling the initial draft, allowing you to manage your workload more efficiently. Writesonic is a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. Use it to jumpstart your writing process, but remember, the final touch is always yours. Embrace the blend of technology and creativity. Chapter 5. WordTune. It's like a writing coach but less judgy. WordTune helps make your writing clearer and more engaging. Paste your text, and it suggests different ways to phrase your sentences. It's like a thesaurus on steroids, understanding context and suggesting natural phrases. WordTune makes your writing more concise and impactful. I use it for emails and social media posts too. It ensures I'm communicating my thoughts clearly and effectively. So there you have it. 5 free AI tools that will change your blogging game. No more writer's block, no more stressing over every word. It's like having a team of writing assistants for free. Try these tools and let me know what you think. Which one are you most excited about? Tell me in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips. Happy writing!